When shopping for a dashcam, most drivers are looking for the same things: sharp video quality, reliable recording, easy access to footage, and useful safety features that don't require spending flagship-level money. That's exactly where today's camera enters the conversation. We're taking a look at the GKU D600 Pro Max, an upgraded version of GKU's well-known D600 lineup. On paper, it packs a feature list that would normally be associated with more expensive systems, including 4K front recording, a full HD rear camera, Sony's StarVez 2 imaging sensor, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice commands, and multiple parking surveillance functions. We've gone through its features, examined the footage, and explored how it performs in everyday driving situations. Here's everything you need to know. Let's start with what comes in the box. GKU includes quite a complete installation package. Alongside the main front camera, you'll find the rear camera and its connection cable, a vehicle charger, cable routing accessories, electrostatic stickers, documentation, and something we don't always see included, both a suction mount and a 3M adhesive mount. That flexibility is actually nice to have. Some drivers prefer a permanent adhesive installation for a cleaner appearance, while others regularly move their dash cam between vehicles and prefer the convenience of a suction mount. Instead of forcing one approach, GKU lets users decide which setup works best. The camera itself follows a clean and modern design philosophy. As for installation, the process is familiar to anyone who's used a dual-channel dash cam before. The front unit mounts to the windshield, the rear camera attaches to the back window, and then the cable is routed through the vehicle's trim panels. Like most two-channel systems, cable management takes the most time. The actual setup process is simple and beginner-friendly. Now let's talk about the feature that matters most: recording quality. The D600 Pro Max captures front footage in 4K resolution with its StarVez 2 sensor, while the rear camera records in Full HD 1080p. The front camera offers a 170-degree field of view, and the rear camera covers 150 degrees, creating broad coverage around the vehicle and helping reduce blind spots. That wider viewing angle becomes useful in real-world driving situations. Whether it's traffic approaching from neighboring lanes, vehicles entering intersections, or important road signs, the camera has a better chance of capturing the details that may matter later. Looking at daytime footage, the front camera performs exactly how we'd expect from a modern 4K dashcam. Road markings remain clear, license plates are reasonably readable, and surrounding vehicles retain good detail throughout the frame. Image sharpness is consistent, and the overall picture looks balanced without appearing overly processed. The rear camera naturally doesn't offer the same level of detail as the front due to its full HD resolution, but it still captures enough information to be genuinely useful when reviewing incidents behind the vehicle. Of course, daylight performance only tells part of the story. Many dash cams look good during the day, but nighttime recording is often where the real differences appear. To address that challenge, GKU equips the D600 Pro Max with Sony's StarVez 2 sensor, along with wide dynamic range technology and enhanced night vision processing. Together, these technologies are designed to improve visibility in low-light environments while managing difficult lighting conditions created by headlights, streetlights, and reflective surfaces. In actual night driving situations, the camera produces footage that remains surprisingly usable. Road markings stay visible. Surrounding vehicles retain recognizable detail, and bright light sources are controlled reasonably well. The camera manages to balance shadows and highlights effectively, helping preserve information across the scene instead of losing detail in overly dark or blown-out areas. Another area where the D600 Pro Max feels more current than many similarly priced dash cams is connectivity. The system supports both 2.4 and 5.8 GHz wireless bands and incorporates Wi-Fi 6 technology. GKU advertises transfer speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, and while real-world results will vary depending on the device being used, footage transfers do feel noticeably faster compared to many older Wi-Fi equipped dash cams. That speed matters because accessing recordings is one of the most common frustrations people experience with dash cams. Traditionally, retrieving footage often meant removing the micro SD card, locating a card reader, connecting to a computer, and manually searching through folders. With the D600 Pro Max, recordings can be accessed directly through the GKU Go mobile app. Using the app, we can watch live camera feeds, browse recordings, download clips, save important videos, and adjust camera settings directly from our phone. For everyday convenience, that's a significant improvement. If an incident occurs during a drive, footage can be located and saved immediately without removing the memory card or connecting additional hardware. The built-in GPS adds another layer of functionality. Alongside the video recording, the camera logs speed information, route data, and location details. That additional information can provide valuable context when reviewing incidents, dealing with insurance claims, or documenting accident events. For users who prefer viewing recordings on a computer, GKU also provides a dedicated GPS playback application for both PC and Mac systems. Convenience extends beyond the app as well. The D600 Pro Max supports voice commands, allowing drivers to activate key functions without reaching for the camera. Whether it's saving footage, locking an important recording, or triggering supported actions, voice control helps minimize distractions and keeps attention focused on the road. Take photo.
Picture success.
Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Turn off audio.
Mute off.
Show rear camera. Show both cameras. Show front camera. When it comes to recording security, GKU includes the features most drivers expect. Loop recording ensures continuous operation by automatically overwriting older unlocked files whenever storage becomes full. That means the camera can keep recording without requiring manual file management. The built-in G sensor automatically detects impacts and sudden vibrations. When an event is detected, the corresponding recording is locked to help prevent accidental overwriting. There's also a manual lock function available for situations where we want to protect footage ourselves. After examining the complete package, the D600 Pro Max feels like a dashcam that concentrates on delivering the features drivers actually use on a daily basis. The combination of 4K front recording, 1080p rear coverage, Starvis 2 low-light performance, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice controls, parking surveillance capabilities creates a feature set that feels impressively complete for its category. The inclusion of both mounting options is another detail we appreciate, since it gives users more flexibility right out of the box. For drivers looking for a modern dual-channel dashcam that combines sharp video quality, dependable recording performance, fast wireless transfers, useful smart features, and straightforward daily operation, the GKU D600 Pro Max is certainly worth a closer look. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience with the D600 Pro Max or have questions about its features, drop them in the comments below. And if this review helped you out, consider sharing it with someone who's currently searching for their next dash cam.